Hello everyone, Namaste and welcome back to my channel. My name is Trishhyoga and today I have a quick 10-minute ab workout series for you. So let's get started. Lie down on your back and bring your feet together, tucking your palms underneath your thighs and pointing your toes. We're going to start off with the left leg. So raise your left leg up to 90 degrees with your knees straight and then bring it back down to the floor. Breathing in as you go up, breathing out as you come down. 3 more just like this. Make sure you keep your right leg super active by pointing your toes towards the head and your knee remains straight. Now let's switch and do the same thing 5 times on the right side. Breathing in as you go up and breathing out as you come down. Starting to activate your lower ab muscles, trying to maintain your shoulders on the floor to give your abs a bit of a challenge. Now let's do that with both our legs together. So tuck your hands underneath the head if you want an extra challenge. And breathing in, take both your legs up to 90 degrees and control them on the way back down to the floor. Breathing in as you go up and breathing out as you come down. If you want an extra challenge, then try to hover your feet off the floor on your way down and then bring it back up to that 90-degree pose. Okay, on this last round now, bring your feet back to the floor and tuck your hands once again underneath your thighs. We're going to go back to that left leg, this time taking the left leg up in a circle and bringing it back down in a circle. So breathe in, go up, breathe out, rotate that left leg outwards in a circle to come back down. 4 more. Breathing in, up, breathing out as you rotate it outward and come back down towards the mat. 1 more just like this on the left side. Okay, now let's reverse that rotation. So take your left leg outwards in a circle, go up to 90 degrees and then bring your foot back down to meet the right leg. 4 more just like this. We're doing 5 rotations in each direction for each leg. So make sure to remember your count and try to keep the other leg super active on the mat. Tuck your hands again underneath the body and starting off with the right leg now, take your leg up to 90 degrees, rotate it outward in a circle and come back down to meet the left. 4 more just like this. Try to keep up with the pace of the class just to give your abs a slightly more challenging workout today. Okay, let's now reverse the direction of rotation. So take your right leg outwards in a circle, come up to 90 degrees and bring your foot back down to meet the left. 4 more. Okay, get ready now to do that rotation with both your legs, keeping them active. So tuck your hands underneath the thighs, take both your legs up to 90 degrees and then separate your feet and rotate both your legs outwards in a circle, coming back down parallel to the floor. Up as you breathe in and down as you breathe out. So we're rotating each leg in the opposite direction as we come outward from that 90-degree pose. Just 1 more in this direction and now switch and reverse your rotation. So take your feet up in a circle, come to that 90-degree pose and lower your legs down straight. 4 more. Make sure to breathe with each movement and try to keep your hands underneath your hips to support your lower abs and your shoulders so that you're not moving through your upper body. Okay, I know that was a challenging one, but you did so well. Now let's come into the next pose. We're going to start off with boat pose. So let your hands be by your sides, untuck them from your hips, keeping them close to the body. As you breathe in now, come up, bring your feet, your shoulders and your head 30 degrees off the floor. Breathing out, down. Breathing in as you go up, head and feet are at the same distance off the floor. And breathing out, come back down. One more just like this. Come up as you breathe in and hold just for 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back down. This time we're going to take the feet and the head off the floor by 45 degrees. So come up, raise your feet slightly higher than you did the last time. Hold in the practice, keeping your legs super active, and then release back down to the floor. Breathing in, go up once again, trying to balance your lower body weight with your upper body, keeping your abs super active, and now come back down. We have one more round just like this, so give it all you've got. Come up as you breathe in and hold for 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back down. I know that was super challenging, but you did so well. We have just one more series to complete this ab workout. So now prop yourself up on your forearms, bringing your forearms super close to the body, and then release your legs out in front of you with your toes pointed towards the head, keeping your knees super straight. Starting off again with the left leg, take your left leg up to 90 degrees as you breathe in. Bend your knee and cycle out that left leg close to the right leg on the floor. Breathing in, go up, breathe out, bend and cycle it out. We're going to do this 3 more times on the left leg to complete 5 cycles in this rotation. And then, of course, we're going to reverse the direction of our cycling. Now bend your knee, take it up to 90 degrees as you straighten your knees and bring your left leg back to meet the right. 4 more just like this. Remember that this is the last series for today's ab workout, so really give it all you've got and keep up your energy levels. Okay, let's now do that with the right leg. So take your right leg up to 90 degrees, bend and cycle it out. 4 more. Breathing with each movement so that you can really count the number of rounds you're doing and stay super aware so you're not compromising on the quality of your practice. Make sure that when you're completing 5 rounds, you switch out the direction of your cycling. So now take your right leg up as you bend your knee, extend it to that 90-degree pose and bring it back down to meet the left. 4 more, and then you guessed it, we're going to do this with both our feet together. Make sure that you're comfortable by propping yourself up on your forearms. If not, you can go back to lying down on the mat in a shavasana and keeping your hands tucked underneath the body. Keeping your chin tucked to the chest, take a breath here and now bend both your knees, extend them upward to 90 degrees and breathe out as you bring them close to the floor, hovering your feet off the mat. Make sure to breathe and really support your chest with your forearms, spreading out your fingers and tucking your chin close to the chest so that you're not feeling any tension in your neck. Just one more in this direction, and now prepare yourself to go up. Take your feet to 90 degrees, bend your knees and cycle your feet out close to the floor, hovering your heels off the mat for an extra bit of challenge. You're doing so well. We're almost at the end of class, so power through these last few rounds and then we're going to stretch out the hips. One more. And bring your feet back to the floor, come on to your glutes, sit up and bend both your knees, bringing the soles of your feet together and flopping your legs outwards to the floor. We're just going to stay here in a butterfly pose, bouncing the knees up and down around 20 to 40 times, or as many as you'd like, to release any tension in your hip flexors and your inner thighs. You can also bend forward slightly, bringing your hands in front of you to really stretch out your hip, and hold here if that feels good for you. That's going to be all from me today. I hope you enjoyed this super short 10-minute ab workout series. If you did, please give this video a like down below and let me know how you're feeling in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this in the future. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.